EDVC Underground Fully Welded Ball Valve is a specialized type of ball valve designed for buried pipeline installations, mainly used in natural gas, oil, and district heating networks. It features a welded body construction that ensures no external leakage and long-term reliable operation, without the need for maintenance.and. There is an extension shaft, an underground operating box. The ball inside the valve rotates 90 degrees to open or close the flow path. When open, the bore of the ball aligns with the pipeline, providing full flow. When closed, the ball blocks the flow completely. Body made from forged steel or seamless steel pipe, fully welded to eliminate body flanges and potential leakage paths. Common materials: AE105, AE350LF2, 300 for 316 stainless steel, etc. Ball: precision machined and chrome plated, or tungsten coated for wear and corrosion resistance. Seat: soft seated, PTFE, RTFE, or PEEK, or metal seated design depending on medium and temperature. Stem: blowout proof design, with an extended stem for underground operation. The extension length depends on burial depth. Key features: 1. Fully welded body, no external leakage points. 2. Maintenance free, designed for long-term underground use without the need for servicing. 3. Corrosion resistant coating, epoxy or PE anti-corrosion layer for underground protection. 4. Anti-static and fire-safe design, ensures operational safety. 5. Full bore or reduced bore, available to suit flow and pigging requirements. 6. Extended stem and vent, bleed port, for easy above-ground operation and pressure release. 7. Buried service adaptability, can be directly buried without valve chamber. Typical applications: natural gas transmission pipelines, main-line valves, crude oil and refined oil pipelines, underground district heating networks, buried water distribution pipelines, city gas distribution systems, compressor stations and pumping stations. Thank you for specifying EDVC Fully Welded Ball Valve.